Hi students, we are going to see some commonly used accessories in electricity experiments. Here you have battery eliminator. It is used as a source of voltage or current and it has got positive terminal and negative terminal. Positive usually red in color or brownish in color and black one negative. Next we have got plug key, in which you can see there is a plug. Whenever this plug is inserted in the gap, the key is closed or we can make the circuit closed. Then voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. It also has got a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Here you can see it starts from 0 and here it ends at 3. That is, the range of this voltmeter is 0 to 3 volts. Again, here you have ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current in a circuit. Here also you can see there is a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Here also it reads from 0 to 3. Of course, here the unit is ampere, that is the range is 0 ampere to 3 ampere. And next we have got galvanometer. Galvanometer is used to check whether there is current or not in a circuit. And you can see all these three are similar in appearance. All have got positive terminals and negative terminals. But in galvanometer, 0 is in the middle. This needle can deflect towards left and right. But for ammeter and voltmeter, it starts from 0. Also, for voltmeter, it will be written V inside. For ammeter, it will be A, and for galvanometer, either galvo or G will be there in the apparatus.
Here, this is rheostat. It is used to vary the current in the circuit by varying the resistance. So, rheostat is also known as variable resistance. It has 3 terminals. 2 are at the bottom and 1 is on the top. And there is a slider arrangement. The slider arrangement is used to vary the resistance, thereby the current in the circuit. Then next one is resistance box. These are the 2 endpoints to which we should connect. Here you can see a number of plugs and it is noted 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 10, 20, 20 like that. This all represents the values of resistance. This resistance box contains a series of non-resistance coils. To insert a particular resistance in a circuit, we must plug out that key. To insert a resistance of 25 ohm, we must plug out this 20 and 5, then it is 25 ohm. Make sure all other plugs are held tight. Next, this is connecting wires. It is used to connect the different components in a circuit. Before connecting, we must remove the cotton thread at the ends of this connecting wires. And we should clean this ends using sandpaper and check the continuity of the connecting wire. How can we check the continuity? Hold the ends of the wire. Then stretch this wire at the edge of the table. If we get a wire like this, then it shows that it is continuous or not broken.
Here are the general instructions for electricity experiments. You should keep your table clean and you shouldn't use your table for making doodles. Then you should keep your personal belongings far away from your apparatus and make sure that the connection wires are continuous, it is not broken, and you should make sure that the apparatus are as per the circuit diagram.
Once the apparatus is arranged as per the circuit diagram, you have to make sure the key is open. After that, when you do connections, always start from the positive terminal of the cell or battery. And you have to make sure no wires are projecting outside from the terminals. After that, again cross-check the circuit with the circuit diagram. Once it is checked, make sure the key is closed and check for the accuracy or working of the voltmeter, ammeter, etc. Once the observations are recorded, then and there itself, switch off the circuit. First, plug out the key and switch off the circuit. That's all.